Well, hello everybody and welcome to Rosalie's Kitchen. Wow, it's been a while since I've been with you guys, but I'm so glad to be with you now because Thanksgiving is just around the corner and I have a great side for you tonight. Right out of my Rosalie Serving Best Loved Italian book. And it is right on page here, 75. It's called Broccoli Salad with Provolone and Prosciutto Ham. So it's really going to be good. I can't wait to share this with you. And I'm going to put it right here by my Rosalie Serving Country. And so there's my cookbooks. All right, I can't wait to get started. So what you want to do is you want two heads of broccoli florets. And I have just taken these little florets and just tore them apart like that. And so it makes a nice bowl, probably about 4 cups, 5 cups of this. And that's 2 heads of broccoli florets. You want to add to that a carton of your Provel cheese. And what I've done here is I have just gone through this cheese and I've cut it so that it will be cut small. Otherwise it's kind of in a long rope. And you can find this in St. Louis and I think parts of Illinois. This is the rope Provel. If you can't find it, then use a shredded Provel. Okay, you're going to add that right here to your broccoli and just kind of smush that around so you kind of break these apart a little bit. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add about 5 green onions. I've chopped those. You can see that. Add that right to your bowl. Okay, so let's get our bowl over here under the camera where you can see. And then what we're going to do is we're going to add to this these cherry tomatoes. Now these are from Aldi's and they were huge. So I cut them in half and they really look good. They're this big plump cherry tomatoes and you want a carton of those. And like I said, you can just cut those in half because they're so big. These are going to be very, give a lot of flavorful in this dish. So you want to toss that all together. And then what you're going to do is you're going to add prosciutto ham. This is an Italian ham. It's been cured, has spices added to it. And it comes in these little sheets. And this prosciutto is really thin. You kind of see how thin that is. And so I've taken about 10 to 12 sheets of that. I cut it up small, and I'm going to add that now to my salad right here. So this is where you're going to get a really good kick, a little spice there. Really, a really good additive to this salad. Okay, and so let's just get the rest of those off. We'll save these for appetizers later, or you can even add them if you want to. Okay, now we've got all that and there's your main ingredients. Now we're going to make our dressing. So you've got 1 1/4 cups here of your Hellmann's mayonnaise. And I love this mayonnaise. It's creamy, very thick, and just really good. Okay, and I think we've got our little spatula right here. We're just going to get all of that out of there because it's really a wonderful creamy mayonnaise. I love Hellmann's. Okay, to your Hellmann's, let's just swish it off our spoon too. Okay, now to your Hellmann's, you're going to add a 1/2 cup of sugar. And this is 3 tablespoons of our, and I'm going to reach back here and show you, you want the cider vinegar. And that's 3 tablespoons right there. Add that right into that. Along with, and I don't have a fresh lemon, but we'll give this lemon juice a little shake here, and you want a teaspoon of your lemon juice right in there. Okay, that is your dressing. Now you're going to just swish this around really good, and this is what's going to make this salad so good with this sweet sour dressing. You're really going to love it. Okay, so give that a really good stir. Until it all goes together. It's coming together really good. You've got your vinegar and your lemon juice incorporated along with your sugar. Okay, come over here to your salad, and now you're going to pour your dressing right into that wonderful salad. And again, we're going to come over and get our little spatula, scoop all of that up. Don't want to miss any bit of that. Okay, and now we're going to just give this a good toss. And at first you'll think, oh, it's not enough dressing, Rosalie. Yes, it is. It will actually get all in through this salad. And this is a wonderful side, a little bit different for your Thanksgiving dinner. A lot of folks like broccoli, and some that even don't like it will love this salad because the